Hello children, hope you all are safe and good. So today we are going to continue with the division chapter. So I think you all are learning the tables. Please learn the tables. If you learn the tables only, you can able to do the sum, or else it will be very difficult. And if you go for the next class, next higher class, it will be very difficult for you to do. Okay, so please learn the tables, write and see. Okay, yes. So today we are going to continue with division. So last class we studied properties, long division, okay, then how to check the division. All these things we saw. So how will you check the division? We have a formula for that. What is the formula to check the division? That is quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. So quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. This is the formula to check the division. Okay, so and one more thing, what I told you in division, when you are doing long division, always the remainder should be smaller than the divisor. The remainder should be smaller than the divisor. Okay, if the remainder is greater than divisor, then your sum is wrong. Okay, that one thing you have to remember. Okay, now we are going to move on to division without regrouping, and we will see division with regrouping also. Exercise 5.9. Exercise 5.9. Okay. Yes. So exercise 5.9. Divide and check your answer. What is that? Divide and check your answer. Okay, so we are going to do the long division and we are going to use the formula to check the division also. Okay, so first sum is 42 divided by 2. 42 divided by 2. Okay, yes, so you all know two tables. With two tables only, now you are going to do the division. Okay, so what is the dividend here? The dividend is 42, and what is the divisor? Divisor is 2. So 42, that is dividend should come inside, and 2 is the divisor, that should go outside. Okay, yes. Now two tables, 42. So 42 will be a big number for you. So first we'll take number 4 alone. What we are going to do? We are going to take the number 4 alone. Okay, first we'll do with 4 alone. So two tables, 4 will come. Yes, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. What we get? 2 2s are 4. Now we are going to subtract. What is 4 minus 4? It is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now this 2 is remaining. So what we are going to do? We are going to bring down this 2. We are going to bring down this 2. Yes. Now two tables, 2 will come. 2 tables, 2 will come. Yes, what is that? 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. So 2 1s are 2. Subtract. What is 2 minus 2? 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now what is the quotient we get? Quotient is 21 and the remainder is 0. Okay, so now we are going to check with the answer. Check. So what is the formula? Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay, so what is the quotient we get? So quotient is 21 into what is the divisor? Divisor is 2 plus what is the remainder? Remainder is 0 is equal to what we should get? We should get 42, that is dividend. What is 21 into 2? What is 21 into 2? 21 into 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so the answer is 42. 21 into 2 is 42. 42 plus 0 is anything. added with 0 will be the number itself. So 42 and plus 0 will be 42. So 42 is equal to 42. 42 is equal to 42. So we got the answer as correct. We have checked the answer and we got the answer. Both the side we got the same dividend. So what we done is correct. Okay. Yes. Now one more sum we'll do. This is how you will do the division and check the answer. Okay. One more sum. 69. Second sum. 69 divided by 3. 69 divided by 3. Okay. Yes. So first we are going to divide. So what is the dividend here? 69 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. 69 divided by 3. So what tables we are going to use? 3 tables. 69 is a big number. Okay. So we'll take only the first digit, that is 6. What is the first digit? 6. Okay. Yes. 3 table 6 will come. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So subtract 6 minus 6 will be 0. Now this 9 is remaining. No. Bring down this 9. Okay. Yes, 3 tables 9 will come. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9. Okay. Again subtract. What is 9 minus 9? 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. So now we got the quotient Q as 23 and the remainder R as 0. Now we are going to check. So what is the formula to check? That is Q into divisor. Q means what? Quotient. Divisor plus R means remainder is equal to dividend. Okay, so what is the quotient we get? The quotient is 23. 23 into divisor is 3 plus the remainder is 0 is equal to, what is the dividend? Dividend is 69. Yes, 23 into 3. So what is 23 into 3? 23 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 69. What is 69 plus 0? 69. So 69 is equal to 69. So we got the equal to sign. Both the numbers are same. So our answer is correct. This is how you will check the answer. Okay. Very easy. If you know tables, very easy. If you don't know tables, it is very tough for you. So please learn the tables. Okay. So this is division without regrouping. Exercise 5.9, division without regrouping. We done and we have checked the answer. Okay. Now we'll move on to exercise 5.10. This is also same but division without regrouping. Okay. Division without regrouping. Shall we do this now? Yes. Very easy. I know every one of you know tables and every one of you can do the division nicely. Okay. 5.10. Exercise 5.10. Same thing but this is division with regrouping. Okay. The first sum is 45 divided by 3. First we are going to do the division, find the quotient and remainder. Then we are going to move on to check the answer. Okay. What is the first sum? 45 divided by 3. Dividend is 45 and the divisor is 3. What tables we are going to use? What is the number in the divisor place? 3. So we are going to use 3 tables. Okay. So 45 is there. So we'll take the first number. First we'll take first number. 3 tables 4 will come. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 is greater than 4. So we should take the before number, that is 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Okay. So we are going to subtract. What is 4 minus 3? 1. Okay. Now bring down this 5. Yes. 3 tables 15 will come. Let's see. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Yes, coming. 15 is coming. How many times? 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Yes. So if we subtract, we will get the remainder as 0. Okay. Yes. Now what is the quotient? 15. And what is the remainder? Is 0. Okay. So now we are going to check with the answer. Okay. Check with the answer. Okay. So that is formula to check this. Q into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. So what is quotient? 15. Divisor 3 plus remainder 0 is equal to dividend is 45. So what is 15 into 3? What is 15 into 3? 5. 3 5s are 15. 5. 1 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 45 plus 0 is 45 is equal to 45. So both the sides we got the same answer. So the sum is correct. It is correct. So what we have done is correct. We have done the division and we have checked the answer also. This is how you will do the long division, and using the formula you will check the answer. Okay. Yes, one more sum will do. Okay, so what is the next sum? Second sum is 73 divided by 5. So we are going to divide this and we are going to check the answer. 73 divided by 5. So 73 is a dividend and 5 is the divisor. We are going to find a quotient and the remainder. Okay, yes. 5 tables 73 will come. So we'll take the first digit around. Well, 5 tables 7 will come. So 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So 5 2s are 10. 10 is larger than 7. So we are going to take the before number, that is 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Subtract. What is 7 minus 5? 7 minus 5 is 2. Now the 3 we are bringing down 3. Okay, 5 tables 23 will come. So 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 is larger than 23. So it should not come. So you should take the before number. That is 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. And 23 minus 20 is 3. So now the quotient is 14 and the remainder is 3. Okay, quotient is 14 and the remainder is 3. Now we are going to check the answer. Okay, so what is the formula? Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay, so what is the quotient here? Quotient, what we get? Quotient is 14. 14 into what is the divisor? Divisor is 5. Divisor is 5 plus what is the remainder? Remainder is 3 is equal to what is the dividend? Dividend is 73. Okay. Yes. What is 14 into 5? 14 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 0 2 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 6 7. Okay, 70. What is 70? So we got 70. What is 70 plus 3? It is 73. 73 is equal to 73. So we have checked the answer. We have checked the answer and we got the correct answer. Okay, this is how you will do the division and check the answer. Okay, yes. One more sum will do. One more sum will do. After that, you please practice. Okay. So next sum, it is third sum. 64 divided by 4. 64 divided by 4. So what is the dividend? Dividend is 64 and the divisor is 4. Okay, yes. So we'll take the first digit. 4 tables 6 will come. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So 8 is greater than 6. So you should take the before number, that is 4 ones are 4. Ones are 4. Okay, now subtract. 6 minus 4, 2. Now bring down this 4. Okay, now 4 tables 24 will come. Let's see, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 6 are 24. So 4 tables, how many times? 6 times 24. Now subtract 24 minus 24 is 0. Okay, now what is the quotient? Quotient is 16. Remainder is 0. We'll check the answer. Check. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Okay, what is the quotient? 16 into what is the divisor? 4 plus what is the remainder? 0. And what is the dividend? 64. Yes, 16 into 4. What is 16 into 4? 6 fours are 24. 4. Yes, can you able to see? Yes, 6 fours are 24. 4. 2 carry. 4 ones are 4 plus 2, 5, 6. So 64 plus 0, it is 64. 64 is equal to 64. So we have got the correct answer. 64 is equal to 64. So this is how you will do the division and check with the answer. Okay, so to remember the properties of division, and one more thing is always the remainder should be smaller than divisor. Okay, always the remainder should be smaller than division. These two things you have to remember. Please, properties is very important. Okay, please do remember and study this formula also. How to check? It is quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Q means quotient, R means remainder. Okay, yes children, please learn the tables. Do try the sums, keep on trying the sums, then only you will be able to do the sum. When I am doing, you will be finding it easy. When you try to do, it will be very tough for you. Please try, keep on doing the sums, then only you will be able to do the sums. Yes children, take care. Thank you. Bye.